Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German. Starting a conversation in a new language can feel scary, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, you will learn 10 simple German phrases to start a small talk in everyday situations, whether you are at work, at a party, or just meeting someone new. These will help you sound natural, polite, and confident. Let's begin. The first one. Na, alles klar? This is casual and super common. It's the German version of "What's up?" Relaxed and friendly. The second one. Wie war dein Wochenende? Perfect for Mondays. Simple, warm, and great to start a chat at work or school. Let's look at the third one. Schönes Wetter heute, oder? Yes, the classic weather small talk works in German too. Schönes Wetter heute, oder? You can say it on the street, in the elevator, anywhere. Number 4. Was magst du so? This means, so what are you up to? You can ask this to someone you haven't seen in a while, or even just to get a chat going. The fifth one. Bist du zum ersten Mal hier? Great for events, meetups, or parties. Bist du zum ersten Mal hier? Don't forget the intonation. The next one. Ich glaube, wir haben uns schon mal gesehen. This is a great soft opener. Ich glaube, wir haben uns schon mal gesehen. Even if you haven't, it often leads to a smile and a response. The seventh one. Was magst du beruflich? A classic question, professional but still friendly. Perfect for networking and adult small talk. Number 8. Wohnst du in der Nähe? This is a friendly, less formal way to ask where someone lives. Wohnst du in der Nähe? Perfect for meeting someone at a cafe, class, or park. And it keeps the small talk going naturally. The next one is also one of my favorites. Ich mag dein T-Shirt. Or ich mag dein Lächeln. Ich mag deinen Hund. A compliment is a great way to start a conversation. Friendly, easy, and it shows you're positive and open. And now comes the last one. Was magst du am Wochenende? Want to keep the conversation light and open? Then you can ask, Was magst du am Wochenende? It's a classic question, relaxed, friendly, and great for follow-up conversations or making plans. Small talk doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few phrases, you can start conversations, connect with people, and feel more at home in Germany. Write in the comments, which phrase will you try first? By the way, if you're serious about learning German, don't forget, we offer completely free and well-structured courses for beginners and intermediate learners. You can learn at your own pace, access plenty of materials, and join a community full of real success stories. Just check out the links below and start your journey today. See you in the next lesson and happy learning! Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get a free worksheet by joining our Patreon page. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!